Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student and respected parents, I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I sincerely apologize for the delay in uploading this lesson. It has been some time since our last video, and I truly appreciate your patience and continued support. Inshallah, we will now continue our learning journey regularly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Professional Quran Tutors. So today we are going to learn lesson number 4, that is about singular letter in Arabic language. So please listen carefully, then after you will do practice. So this is the lesson number 4, so please listen carefully. Sheen, Sheen. Okay, so for Sheen, I'm telling you now what is the origin of Sheen. Please listen carefully and check please here. So actually in the Sheen we are using our middle part of tongue. Actually the part of our tongue has 3 parts: front, back and middle and back. So we are using here that is the middle part and touch with the middle palate. Okay, so for Sheen pronounce we are using our middle part of tongue to touch with the middle palate. Okay, now we are going to do our next letter, that is Sod. See again, Sod. Actually Sod is called heavy sound letter, so we'll do a heavy sound and a bold sound on it. Okay, Sod. And for Sod we are check now the origin of Sod. We have done already about origin of Za and Sin, so that is also same origin of the Zod and Sod, Za and Sin. So please check. So for pronouncing Sod, our tongue, tip of tongue coming between upper and lower front teeth. Okay, so for pronouncing Sod, so our tip of tongue coming between upper and lower front teeth. Okay, so say again, Sod. Okay, so our next letter, that is Wad. Say again, Wad. And for this letter, please listen carefully. Actually, the mostly people doing mistake, and some people saying Wad, and some saying Dod, and some saying Zod. So what is the correct? So we are not following to anyone. We are following our correct origin of this letter. So please listen carefully. The origin of this letter, that is actually for pronouncing this letter we have 3 ways. Number 1, the right side of the tongue to touch with the right side of upper molars. Okay, the gums of right side of upper molars. So please listen carefully. The origin of Zod, the right side of the tongue to touch with the right side of the gums of upper molars. And same thing you can pronounce from the same thing we can use from the left side of the tongue to touch with the left side of gums of upper molar. And the 3 ways, that is the both side of the tongue to touch with the both side of the gums of upper both molars. So you can say now, look now from the right side, Lord. Now from the left side, Lord. And now from the both side of the tongue and both side of the gums of upper molars, Lord. So listen carefully and look my respected student. If we are using the correct part for the origin, so then there is no need to follow anyone. You just, for pronouncing this letter, you can use correct part of the mouth. Okay, so now I'm showing you the origin of the word. Already I told you, so just check. Okay, this one, look at now the origin of the word. Start edge of the tongue, or you can say right side of the tongue to touch gums of upper molars. Okay, so look at the right side of the tongue to touch gums molars, right side, and same thing from the left side, right side of the left side of molar tongue to touch with the gums of upper left side of molars. And then also the both side you can use, and both side of the gums you can use, and we can pronounce this letter. Okay, then now our next letter, that is Ta. Ta origin is we have done already Ta and Dal. So Ta is also same, so we can pronounce from the Ta from the tip of the tongue to touch with the gums of upper 2 front teeth. Look, it's very easy. So you had done already. So mashallah. So this is our lesson, my respected student. So now please must do practice 3 to 5 times, and after when you have done so, please When you have any confusion, so please tell me. So Alhamdulillah, today we have completed lesson number 4 and line number 4. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe YouTube channel Professional Quran Tutors. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lesson very soon. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.